Hello and welcome to Ecom Premium. Today we are going to make a live tutorial on BARD, Artificial Intelligence tool by Google. So this will be a complete tutorial. So let's move towards the screen. So first of all, you have to type bard.google.com, and you can also go to google.com. Okay, once you will be into the Google, you can write BARD AI. Okay, so in here you see meet BARD. You have to go there and it will be like this. BARD can help you explain to your kids why the sky is blue, can give you some ideas to surprise your moving. So we'll be just trying BARD now. After clicking on try, you see you can just agree for the terms and conditions. Okay, after making a terms and condition agreement, you can see BARD is an experiment. As you try BARD, please remember BARD will not always get it right. BARD will get better with your feedback. Stay updated on BARD improvements. So here we'll be on BARD experiment .google.com. So and here let's do one thing. Write compelling tutorial, just like ChatGPT. This is the more powerful with all SEO, with all Google data inside the mind of BARD. Write a compelling tutorial on how to create SEO optimize stock website. Okay, now we'll see what BARD will do. So here is how you can use BARD live artificial intelligence. How to create an SEO optimized website is starting with the heading and then setting an optimization. And okay, so and this is a tutorial with proper keywords and headings and titles. So this is how BARD works. So this is the first ever tool. You can also use it for many prompts like please write essay or optimize description for YouTube video title, how to use BARD AI by Google full tutorial. So now let's see what on this results. We want a description of this title for our YouTube video. Over here you see how to use BARD AI by Google full tutorial. So this is the description. Google BARD is a new artificial intelligence chatbot that can answer your questions, generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content and more. In this tutorial I'll show you how to use BARD AI to its full potential. What is BARD AI? How to use BARD AI? What can BARD AI do? Answer your questions, generate text. So these all things you will be getting live in this tutorial. Thank you so much for joining. If you haven't subscribed us, do subscribe and press the bell icon so you will be getting all the latest videos. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.